guys, welcome back to another episode of Learning with Fun Gloves. Today's fun gloves are blue medical gloves. Whoa, how cool is that? You can use these basically for everything if you don't want to get stuff on your hands. But what's really cool about these is they're used by doctors, nurses, in hospitals, dentist offices, veterinarian offices, even EMS, emergency medical services like ambulance, fire, and police. Pretty cool. These are blue. They come in black and white and other colors too. But today we're going to use them to use with this balancing scale. And this balancing scale is a green froggy. And over here I have little froggies. Look at those little froggies. And on this side, we have colorful numbers. All right, so this is how it works. We try to get the scale to be even like this. And how we're gonna do that is adding a number on the right, like this 1, and adding a froggy to counter the weight. So 1, the number, and 1 froggy. Look at that, they balance. Pretty cool. Now, if I take the 1 off, well, the little froggy's heavier. But if I put the number 2, whoa, number 2 is heavier than the frog. But that's okay, these frogs have friends. Look at that. The number 2 and 2 froggies balance out. Pretty cool. All right, let's go for another one. Let's do number 3. It's kind of a pink purple-ish 3. And that is heavier than 2 frogs. So we're gonna add another frog to make 3 to balance it out. All right, what happens if we add 4 froggies? 4 frogs are heavier than the number 3. If we take the 3 off and add a number 4 to balance, we now have 4 froggies and the number 4. Pretty cool, they balance out. All right, let's take the 4 off and put a green 5. Whoa! You wouldn't think it'd be that much heavier, but it is. That's okay, we'll add a nice little green froggy, which make 5 frogs, and it's balanced. Look at that, perfectly balanced. Let's see what happens when we add another froggy, number 6. Whoa, 6 froggies. Take the 5 off and put a green 6. Look at that. And they're balanced just like that. Pretty cool. All right, let's take the 6 off and put a blue 7. Ooh, 7's gonna sit like that and add 7 frogs to balance out. Take the 7 off. Let's put an orange 8. And we gotta put another froggy in, so that's 8 frogs. 8 frogs to the number 8. Take the 8 out. Let's add number 9, which is another pink purplish kind of number. Add another froggy. And we're balancing again. And our last number is 10. 10 is a double digit, 1 and a 0. We gotta add a froggy, so that makes 10. Now if we take all these off, look how heavy the 10 is. Oh my goodness. It just keeps getting heavier and heavier. Oh my gosh. Now what happens if we take the 10 off? It balances. Now, We did numbers and frogs. Let's just do frogs. One frog, one frog. Now they balance. The left and right are balanced, so they're equal weight. Now, let's see what happens if we add 2 more to the left and 1 more to the right. So you have 3 frogs on the left, 2 frogs on the right. Why is it heavier on the one side? Because you have 3 frogs versus 2 frogs. But if we add 3 frogs to the right, look at that, they balance out. Pretty cool. All right, let's do some fun math here. Let's see. So, if we add to the scale 2 frogs, and we add 2 frogs to the left, they balance, right? All right, so let's say we do, there's 2 on each, so let's say 2 plus 1 is 3. But if we do 2 plus 2, that's 4, and it balances out. All right, what should we do next? Let's do something really cool. Let's do a 10 and a 1. So that would be 11. So should we put 11 frogs on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if they balance out. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it's starting to move. 11. Look at that. All right, it worked. Pretty cool. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed another episode of Learning with Fun Gloves. Remember, always have fun with numbers and letters because you're gonna use them all the time, every day. We use them every day, just like these gloves in the medical field. Pretty cool. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.